target.
You want to use the band as a support.
But this is really an opportunity to try things out in a real world and see what it takes to make a real system work.
We've had a huge amount of exposure just to design and actually making things work, which a lot of us don't really get in school. It's mainly theory.
I've learned more working on this sub than in any of my classes. You actually get hands-on experience in actually making something work. You aren't just sitting around figuring out equations, solving problems on paper. You're actually doing something that has applications in the real world.
We can have it maintain a heading up top for a few seconds and then dive.
I think it's fabulous to see how a new team progresses from year to year. We watched some of the teams that made total revisions just by what they learned from their first foray into the competition last year.
We've got a camera right here,
Everything else is that one.
and another one that's...
The incredible number of designs that I've seen. I mean, I love seeing all the totally different hulls and everything. I mean, you've got a floating orb over there, you've got the standard tube, you've got this mess of boxes. It really brings out the creativity in engineers.
This competition in particular brings not only the normal challenges in robotics, but you also do it in a very hostile environment. Being underwater, you can't just, duct tape something to the top of it and hope everything's going. You need to make sure everything's watertight and like that.
Definitely one of the main objectives to overcome is definitely waterproofing.
We've gotten really good at quickly finding the source of problems and either fixing it or finding a way to work around it.
And it's on. I don't know what happens. You put it in what it doesn't go.
There's real engineering challenges involved, so you actually got to get your hands dirty and create something.
The technical aspects are always the most challenging. I mean, it's a pretty difficult competition. I think it really challenges the engineer's ability to come up with creative solutions.
Getting a heartbeat anymore from the electronics.
Does it look okay?
Is it leaking?
Whoa. What? IMU's going crazy.
You found the problem?
Yeah, it's the ground that shorts with the water, and it's just, it messes up all the microcontrollers. He would go down, he started to go straight, but I think we were going too deep, and it was hitting the bottom, and it was causing him to not go as fast as what we wanted, and then he was timing out of the going straight routine, and he started searching for the docking station before he was ever able to get through the gate.
Nothing ever works the first time.
Did we run into the wall? When it surfaces, it's over.
Very easy for him to use. He pulls the switch, the motors turn on, submarine does what it needs to do.
Well, what's really surprising to me is that they start out during static judging. You get this whole sense of where these students think they are, from their papers, from their websites, from what they are saying. They have such great hopes for how they're going to perform, and then it can completely flip the next day when it really comes down to going in water.
Is it supposed to be going?
And it comes down to performance, and it comes down to having in-water time, and running these vehicles in water is the only way that you're going to learn and get that system to work.
Very, very innovative solutions to problems that have been posed to them. Totally different approaches.
It's just really interesting coming back year after year and seeing what's advanced, seeing the level of sophistication that kids are really dealing with right now.
It is truly a system. It requires teamwork. So you've got people in there that are computer science types that are developing the operating system, the computer control part of it. You've got the electrical engineers and the mechanical engineers, which are developing mechanical and electrical designs. They all have to work together and they have to meet, as a system.
You're going to be the one who's going to say, like, get the sub all ready to go and fire it off for the next mission. So
I have a pretty diverse team. I have a person for every single part in the submarine, and we all work together to build this product. We each learn something from everyone else with the different skills, because you pick up a little something from everyone.
You look okay?
There'll be 7 teams in the final. The ranking, according to the static judging, and the best of their 2 qualifying runs is as follows.
Go.
For me, this competition just brings out the best in teamwork, the best in really working to achieve a goal, and the enthusiasm that these students show for their cause, for their school, for their project, for advancing the technology. It's just contagious.
It's coming up. It's coming up. It's coming up.